Hello and welcome everyone out there. Let's see how to draw a ladybug from the letter A in a step-by-step and super easy way within just 3 minutes. So watch it till the end without skipping the video and don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest updates every weekend. At first, write the letter A like this. Then follow the steps it is being done. At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful or motivating even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. You can also leave your valuable comments about the topic of the next video you would like to watch, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.